All right, time for the real estate report for May 2021 in Thurston, Mason, Lewis, and Grays Harbor counties. Some interesting trends still continuing here. First of all, the sales price we see continuing to move up strongly in Thurston County and Mason County, but we see a little bit of a dip in Lewis and Grays Harbor counties. And we'll see this on several indicators, something going on with Lewis and Grays Harbor in terms of market possibly, but continues strong in Thurston and Mason counties. So what we want to also understand is how are we doing as far as inventory goes, because that's been the key driver for this economy for a while now. And we see that some encouraging news here. Thurston is up significantly with new listings, and while the other counties are still kind of about the same in terms of month-to-month change. We expected this time of year, and we expect May to also be strong, maybe even be a little bit above this before it starts to taper off late June and going into the summer months. So now is a great time if you're a buyer to be looking at the inventory on a daily basis and seeing what's coming to market. I'm seeing in the three counties of Thurston, Mason, and Lewis on average over 20 homes, 20 new listings a day over the past week or so. The pending sales dropped a little bit in Thurston County, but still holding pretty strong in Mason, Lewis, and Grays Harbor. Days on the market was the same month to month for Thurston at 4, and for Mason at 5 days on the market, which is very low. But it did drop in Lewis and Grays Harbor, down from 8 to 7 and 7 to 6 days on the market. So the homes still are selling very quickly when they come to market. The percent increase of over original price for Thurston we see is nearly 6%. This means that the sales are going for nearly 6% over the original asking price, which is pretty significant. And then Mason is 4.6%. So what this means in Thurston and Mason counties is there still are very competitive offers happening with significant offers over the original list price. Lewis and Grays Harbor at this point, just Lewis a little bit over, and Grays Harbor is pretty much at list price at this time. So bargain shoppers, if you can live in Lewis and Grays Harbor, not only do you have a lower median sales price, but you can get closer to the actual list price there. Shoppers in Thurston and Mason, you may have to look for homes at 5-6% less than what you can actually afford in order to compete with the offers that are coming in. Okay, so that's kind of where we're at right now in starting May of 2021. Bottom line, Thurston and Mason counties continue to show a lot of strength in the seller market, while it appears that there may be some tapering off in Lewis and Grays Harbor County. We'll just have to watch that for another month or two to see if that's actually a trend. Okay, thanks for listening, and we'll catch you next month.